Hey everyone, today I'm making a victory flower in resin, one of the prettiest blooms I've ever tried. Let's see if it turns out as stunning as I hope. Hello and welcome to Art Obsession Studio. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create the victory flower, which was inspired by Jen from Sunfire Designs, including the recipe, colors and resin tips. I'm using the live edge mold from Pouring Your Heart Out and Platinum Ultra Clear. I've let it sit for 15 minutes. The colors I'm using is, I didn't have indigo, so I'm using Prussian blue, Prism Violet, Aqua that I made up because I didn't have it. Yeah. Instead of using a chameleon powder, I'm just using an interference, and I'm using the less resin white. So that's got 35 mils in the white with 3 drops of ocean white, half a scoop of interference. The aqua has got 5 drops, the prism has got 2 drops, and the indigo has got, instead of putting 5, I put in actually just 3. So I start with the aqua around the edge. Where's my, I don't know what's wrong with my ink, it's got like little lumps in it. But anyway, this is a practice run, so let's go. I have mixed up this ink very well, but as you can see, it just didn't, something was wrong. And it's not a good quality ink. It's a cheapie. My color is supposed to be delivered today, but up to now hasn't come. So I'll put the indigo into the center. I don't have any aqua left. Now I put the prism into the middle. Sadly the colors aren't that deep, so I put the purple in the middle, just enough to add some depth without pouring. So quick torch. Now I'll take the chameleon, it's not actually chameleon, it's interference. Not sure how it's going to turn out, and I'm going to pour it in 2 rings, one there, which I got left, and another ring in the middle. Oops. So I'm going to put my white in a piping bag. So now I'll cut the piping bag. Tiny is best. And I'm going to do little V's. Okay, so now I'm going to let that wait a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes and let it all come in. Let me just put a little bit more. Yes. Okay, so we'll wait 5 minutes. And I'll put this on a pause till it all pulls in, and then we'll come back in a second. So the design is fairly closed in. I'm going to do another layer. But I'll put some clear in the middle first. Yes, I might as well finish it. Here we go. Oh, it's finished. I'll put some stones in the middle, and I've just mixed up the colors that are in there. A little bit disappointed about the ink. But this is just a practice run. Just want to see how it comes out. Yes, you'll see the little, the little spots in there, but nothing I can do. So now we just leave it to cure, and I'll see you at the demolding. Here we go, unmolding time. Oh, hopefully it's turning out. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I think this might be my best victory flower yet. The colors, the sparkles, the petals, everything came together beautifully. Look at that. Look at the shimmer in there. I think it needs a top coat because that's dulled a little bit. How beautiful is that? Wow. So what do you think of this bloom? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this resin flower, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more resin creations. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.